Paul Larsar for Signal TV. Coach Yeng, obviously different team yung Iran, and you'd have to make adjustments quickly. Do you expect a change of tone sa practices nyo, given the urgency right now yung situation ng team?
Of course, Stanley's here, but it's already been decided that for the Iran game, it's going to be Christian Standhardinger who will play as a naturalized player. We will lose Stanley's scoring, we will lose his aggressiveness and his leadership at the point guard position. But we will gain Christian's quickness and his active play, which we lack today, no, with our bigs. So we're hoping that with Christian, we're able to remedy, no, the defensive lapses that occurred because of our bigs being attacked by quicker bigs. But aside from that, also Troy Rosario and Jason Castro are going to be in that lineup. No, I think their suspension is over, so I'm sure they can make a contribution, no, to that effort. No? So even if Stanley's not able to play there, if Jason's there, I think there's still enough, presence at the point guard that Jason can provide for us to be able to play a good game on Monday. And then, as I said, Christian is going to be able to give us some quickness, no, at the 4 and 5 position.
Any more questions? If there are none, we can let Coach Stanley go. Going, gone. Thank you very much.